Alright, coming back at you here again this morning. It's a little bit cooler this morning. We've had a lot of rain here the last couple days. Back on doing a little backyard birding with the Canon 90D. Again, this is the Sigma 1-400 contemporary lens. Trying to get a few shots out here this morning while it's still early. We got some bird movement, so see what happens. Stay tuned for this. Go, we got the male and female cardinal over here. Same squirrel at the feeder. I don't know what I'm gonna do about them squirrels. Blue jay. It's over here now. Jays don't stick around very long. Blue jay at the feeder. Not quite sure what that little hairy woodpecker. I didn't get it off of the feeder. I only got it on the feeder. The coffee's still brewing. I haven't got a drink of it yet. Blue jay. 2 blue jays. I assume the male and female blue jays patterns are a little bit different. I believe that the males are going to be just a little bit more defined, and the female is a bit more mellow blue pattern, stripe pattern. Blackbird over in the tree. Wondering if it was one of those red-winged blackbirds. I've only seen it one time around here. Seen an eastern towhee yesterday. The only way I could describe it would have been a robin with a white belly. I guess it's a large sparrow. I can throw a bit of a picture and scientific definition up there on the screen, but it was called a eastern towhee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not, but so I'm learning new stuff. I haven't got my coffee yet, so I think I'm going to step in and get my coffee. Yeah, I'll be right back. Gotta get coffee.